Today I want to do a quick side-by-side comparison of these three folding fat bikes: the Acomile, the Eidou A20F and Engui EP2 Pro. If you want to know more about each bike, this channel has a dedicated video review of these three bikes. Before we get started, let's clarify something. I'm not making this video to tell you which one is the best bike. I will do a side-by-side comparison of these three e-bikes, discussing the key parts, frame size and a few other features. Then you can decide which folding electric bike is right for you. These are all fat tire foldable bikes that share very similar design and components, but are actually very different from each other. Let's start with the hub motor. Acomile comes with Bafang 48V 750W 8Nm motor, 45 km top speed when unlocked. The Eidou A20F comes with a 36V 250 unbranded motor with a peaking power of 500W. The top speed when unlocked is 35 km/h. And the Engui EP2 Pro also comes with a 48V 750W unbranded motor and has no torque value declared. The top speed is 41 km/h. Both the Acomile and the Engui have 750W motors. But the Acomile hub has more torque, which is good for some but not really good for others because it is pushing and bumping a lot when starting the bike. The Eidou A20F motor is smaller and very steady. It makes for a very easy and comfortable ride. Let's go to the battery. The three models share the same battery compartment and battery case design, but are not the same size and not compatible with each other. They are removable and can be charged on the bike or elsewhere. Acomile comes with the Samsung 48V 14.5Ah battery and has the largest battery compartment. The Eidou comes with an unbranded 36V 10.4Ah battery. The Engui comes with an unbranded 48V 12.8Ah battery, and the battery compartment is the same size as the Eidou A20F. It's a well-known fact that the larger the battery capacity, the longer the cruising range. But the performance of the motor must also be considered. What makes them so similar? The frame design. If these three bikes weren't sided, you might think that they are all the same, but they are not. They are quite different actually. The Acomile bike is bigger than the others. It has rear suspension and much larger battery compartment than the others. The A20F is the smallest, has no rear suspension and is the lightest one. The EP2 Pro is very similar to the Acomile, but smaller and without a rear suspension. There are many adjustments to the height of the saddle and the handlebars. Therefore, it is suitable for almost all riders. The lack of rear suspension is very well compensated by the fat tires. When transporting these bikes in a car, it's important to consider their folded size. They are definitely not small and they are not highly portable. All these three bikes come with 20 inches by 4 all-terrain tires that provide excellent grip and a stable ride. Acomile comes with a regular spoked wheels and the other two bikes come with aluminum alloy rings. The spoked wheels are easy to keep and the one-piece wheels are maintenance-free. They have very similar handlebars and all fold in the same way with the same settings. The Engui and the Eidou comes with a half-twist throttle and the Acomile with a thumb throttle. The Acomile is the only model without a cruise control, which is very convenient. The display also differs greatly from bike to bike. Acomile features a large colorful LCD display for easy access to key settings. Eidou comes with a small monochrome display. Settings can be very difficult to manage, but this is the smallest and most discreet display. Engui comes with a monochrome display and adjusting settings isn't difficult. About the brakes. The Acomile comes with Tektro hydraulic brakes. The Engui and Eidou comes with Zun mechanical brakes. The front suspension is okay on all these three bikes. Acomile front fork offers stiffness and rebound adjustments. The EP2 Pro has two levels of adjustment, locked or unlocked, and the Eidou has no adjustments. The quality of these three bikes is very good. See the links below for more information about each bike. Take your time, pause the video and compare all the specs side by side. That's all for today. I hope this video helps you in your purchasing decision. I would love to know what you think about these 3 bikes, if you have one of them, and if you have any questions, you know what to do. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support the channel. Stay tuned, lots to come. Cheers!